Welcome to the Voice of America's Newswords.
Mumbai, India is a heavily developed city, but activists there are finding tiny plots of land to grow food. Cherish.
The Turning Tide Group builds what it calls food forests. The group plants trees that clean the air, provide fruit, and a green space to enjoy. Jasmine Bagri said people should cherish these spaces.
Cherish describes the act of caring for something well and with great love.
The word treasure can be used the same way.
If you cherish something like a hope or a pleasing memory, it stays in your mind a long time.